Hello everyone and hello our student. Today we study about the kind of verbs. So how many kind of verbs? The kind of verbs we can divide into parts. The first irregular verb and second irregular verb. So now we can study only irregular verb first. In here we have three columns. Column 1, verb 2, verb 3. Okay, so now we can read all together with all these verb. Example: be, were, been, become, became, become, begin, began, begun, break, broke, broken, bring, brought, beer, beer, buy, bought, catch, caught, do, did, done, drink, drunk, try, throw, driven, eat, eaten, find, found, kill, given, go, went, gone, have, had, know, knew, known, met, meet, met, run, run, say, said, see, saw, seen, speak, spoken, take, took, taken, teach, taught, write, wrote, written. So now we can know and we can read all of these about irregular verb. So I think maybe you understand about verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3. So irregular verb is the verb always change from verb 1 to verb 2 is different and verb 2 and with verb 3 is different. Yeah, so it's not the same, it's may change. Yeah, okay, so now okay, we finish about irregular verb. Okay, thank you for your reading and listening and watching. Yeah, okay, thank you.